let's unbox with this box, huge box and heavy weight. Oh my god, having a big tool. Oh. Oh, big suitcase. Oh my goodness. See, comes with two of, this is what is called hammer D. This is manual. It comes range with a 5,000 to 6,000. Nice product. Comes with a tool and two of the, this is called what, I don't know. See, and one more, and this is the missing heavy weight. Oh my god. Okay, unbox done. Let's finish this. See you again. Many of the products and huge amount. पैसा खत्म और क्या बोले, फिर से आएगा.